Hello, this is the demonstration video for Svidu School Management Teachers application. Download the Svidu Teachers application from Google Play Store and then enter the user ID and password provided to you by your school. After you log in, you'll see the dashboard where you can find all the important modules for teachers. First of all, to check out your and your school's profile, click on this pen icon. You'll be able to see your school details, your personal information, and your qualification details in this tab. You can also update your personal information and qualification here. Now click on the upper left menu button. Here we'll first look at the My Attendance module. In this, you can view the records of your daily and lecture-wise attendance for every month of every year. You can also view your proxy attendance records in this. Next, we will look at student attendance. With student attendance, you can take your students' attendance digitally. Click on the View button to check the previous month and year's attendance records. Next module is Student Management. You can see a list of your class students. Click on View to check any particular student's records. Moving on, Lecture Management. Teachers can view their daily lecture timetable in this Lecture Management module. To start conducting any particular class, click on the Join button so that you will get a list of every student attending that class. With that, you can take their lecture-wise attendance. Or if you want to assign the class to any other teacher, simply click on Set Proxy button and choose the teacher. The following module is My Task. In My Task, you can view the complete list and graph of tasks assigned to you by your school administration. You can also update the status of each task from this interface. The next module is Announcement. Using the Announcement module, you can view all the notifications and reminders sent to you by your school. You can also download any attached files set along with the notification or reminder. The next module is Syllabus. You can view all the details of every topic and chapter uploaded here by your school or from your web panel. You can also download these topics or chapters. Moving on, Online Homework. The online homework is submitted by students can be viewed here. You can evaluate the homework and update the evaluation status. Further, Homework. Here, you can upload offline regular or vacation homework according to the class and subject. You can also attach and upload additional educational resources for students to help with their homework. The module also allows you to evaluate the offline homework submitted by the students. The next one is Leave Request. From Leave Request, you can send a leave application to your school. By clicking on the View button, you can also check the status of every leave application, whether it is approved or not. Moving on to the next one, Offline Tutorials. Teachers can add URLs of lecture videos for students based on their class and subject. For the next module, we have online class. Here, you can conduct online classes on the date and time you choose using Google Meet. Next, we will look at message. You will see a class-wise student list. You can choose the students you want to communicate, or you can directly search for their name in the search bar. In recent messages, you can view all the latest messages from students or their parents. To change your application's password, click on Change Password, and to exit, click on Logout. That was it for the demo of school management software, Swedo Teachers application.